At an auto repair shop in New Hyde Park, Long Island, a tune-up for your car comes with a side of old-fashioned candy.
Hi, I'm Eileen.
And I'm Ronnie.
And where are we today?
And we are at Bob Howard's General Store and Auto Repair Shop.
Tell me about this place. I've never seen anything quite like it.
My parents opened the repair shop in 1946. My father used to put me on a milk crate, and I would be washing the windows of people's cars, where we were putting air in kids' bicycles. Now we're putting air in their automobile tires. And the same thing here, where kids years ago would come here after school to get their candy. Now they're bringing their children in to get candy. Chopped nuts, cherry inside of it, and it's enrobed in chocolate.
My favorite chocolate is the ice cubes. It's an old-fashioned candy. Chocolate melts in your mouth.
When I'm standing somewhere in the store and all of a sudden something comes flying over my head, I know it's Ronnie demonstrating something. That's his favorite thing to do in this place.
It's actually research and development.
Your father started it. Was he interested in cars?
He was always interested in cars. When he got out of the Army, he decided to open up a place, and he was bringing my mother from Brooklyn out to the wilderness here on Long Island and he opened this shop, and there was nothing around us. It was just this, and then slowly they built houses, and it just grew. It just grew.
What do you think is your secret to longevity?
Cleanliness, honesty, giving people a fair share.
All our neighbors are very friendly to us.
We love the people in New Hyde Park. It's becoming very diverse, and we love that. But we have people that come every single day for their
Candy fix.
Candy fix. They always come in with a story from their childhood. My grandparents used to bring me this. That's my favorite part.
Your parents, what were they like?
Well, my dad, he was here every day, even attached to an oxygen tank, just sitting here, and he would wait for the kids to come home from school and walk through the door, and he always asked, "How was your day today in school?" And
You love the kids.
Yeah, and now Ron and I do that. My mom, she would mostly help out by eating all the dark chocolate. She loved dark chocolate. Yeah, she passed away in 2012, but they're with us every day, and we're so grateful to them to be given this opportunity.
Yeah.
Without them, we wouldn't be here.
We wouldn't be here.
How did you two meet?
Well,
very simply, back in 1971, got her number, made a date for that Saturday night. Smart guy.
Yeah. What does it mean to you to be able to carry on the family legacy?
It means everything. My oldest brother, this business was named for him.
Okay.
He was Bob Howard Kaplan, and it was B-O-B-B. He passed away a few years ago, and every time I drive up now and see that name on the building, it takes on a lot of new meaning.
Yeah.
I had two older brothers, and my parents always said they had 4 children because they never considered Ronnie a son-in-law. They always considered him a son. So we're just so lucky. We're just so lucky.